I shifted at this place almost 2 years ago. I experienced my first financial freedom and decorating the room how I want to, and I've had so many achievements and so many memories in this room. But now it's time to change. And today we are gonna be moving. We are finally in our room. यहाँ का 20K है. होगा कि नहीं होगा? Thank you.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all.
Okay, so we are finally in our room. It feels so surreal because so many nights I have manifested to have my own room, my own personal space. One thing that I realized whilst shifting was the amount of clothes that I have is unreal. I shouldn't have so many clothes. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like around 8 or 9 bags full of clothes, and that is not okay. My room is in absolute mess right now, in shambles, because I have not at all organized anything. मैंने बस ला के सारा सामान यहाँ रख दिया है. मैं जब मैं सोच रही थी कि मुझे ये पूरा खुद से शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा तो it's gonna be so like difficult, it's gonna be so I was very intimidated, but look at me now. I shifted all of my stuffs on my own. It feels crazy. This room also has a purple wall like I had in my previous room because of the same owner or something, I don't know. Now the cleaning people are gonna come in like around an hour. So I'm thinking कि जितना भी मैंने नीचे सामान रखा हुआ है ना उसको एटलीस्ट मैं कहीं तो घुसा दूँ ताकि फ्लोर की क्लीनिंग हो जाए. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो प्लानिंग कि मैं बेडशीट वगैरह डाल देती हूँ ताकि आई कैन ले on my bed and rest because I woke up at 6 and 6 बजे से अभी 8:45 बज रहे हैं, तब से मैं अभी तक लगी पड़ी हूँ इसी सब के चक्कर में. And yeah, I am very happy that I get to experience this. This is a dream come true to have my own personal space.
It's so hard to be what you need if you're into the finer things. Well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
If I can shift this table over here, right, like next to my bed, then it would be really nice because then bed se adjacent I'll have my table so I can keep stuff on it. The only problem is that I don't think this will fit there. So what I'm gonna do is I have an inchy tape, so let's measure and let's just see if we are able to do that.
But you're not thinking twice about me.
So my table is 30 inches and यहाँ पे मेरे पास जो जगह है that is 28. तो पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. मैं सोच रही हूँ एक बार घसका के देख ही लेते हैं. अगर हो गया तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो वापस से घसका के इधर रख लेंगे, है ना. Perfectly, it fits perfectly. It is crazy how things are working out for me.
Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you never want one night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve.
After like half an hour नीचे से मैंने मोटा मोटी सामान सारा हटा दिया है एंड अभी रख दिया है, बस अरेंज कुछ नहीं करा, सो दैट अगर अभी झाड़ू पोछा वाले आएंगे, क्लीनिंग वाले आएंगे तो वो क्लीन कर सकते हैं एटलीस्ट नीचे का फ्लोर. एंड आई एम टेकिंग अ क्विक ब्रेकफास्ट ब्रेक. मैंने सोच रही थी कि आज छुट्टी ले लूंगी ऑफिस से, पर मेरा काम स्टार्ट एट 11 एंड आई कैन इजीली लॉग इन बाय 12 ऑल्सो, दैट्स फाइन. तो मुझे नहीं लगता अब मुझे छुट्टी लेने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. एंड आई एम हैविंग नूडल्स. चम्मच कहाँ है यार, अब भी रखा है कहीं ना कहीं, मैं नहीं ढूंढूंगी. got it. Few of you must be thinking that why shift again in PG and not in a flat. So मेरा रेंट यहाँ का 20K है एक रूम का, एंड 20K में मुझे अच्छा खासा 1 BHK भी मिल जाता है इस एरिया में. बट यू ऑल्सो हैव टू पुट इनटू कंसिडरेशन दैट मेरे 20K में मेरा खाना, पानी, बिजली, जिम, वॉशिंग मशीन, गैस चूल्हा सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड है, एंड ऑल्सो क्लीनिंग पीपल एज वेल. सो मेरे 20K में सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड है. इट्स लाइक अ पैकेज. अगर मैं फ्लैट में शिफ्ट होती तो मुझे 20K ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट बाकी सारी जितनी भी चीजें मुझे चाहिए उसका बिल मेरे को अलग से पे करना पड़ता है. उतना ज्यादा आई एम नॉट विलिंग टू स्पेंड. The sole reason why I shifted to a single room is because of YouTube. I want to make as much content as I can. As I said before, I have a full-time job and मैं YouTube भी as a full-time creator ही करती हूँ. वीडियोस और शॉर्ट्स में एक हफ्ते में पोस्ट करती हूँ. वो अगर मैं फुल टाइम यूट्यूबर होती तो भी मैं उतने ही कर रही होती. सो यू कैन से दैट आई हैव 2 full-time jobs. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट मैं एक फ्लैट का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जहाँ पे यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग ऑन योर ओन नहीं कर पाती. Now obviously since I have chosen to stay in a PG, I have 1000 reasons justifying why living in PG is better. But अगर कोई फ्लैट में शिफ्ट हो रहा होता तो they would have 1000 reasons to justify shifting into a flat. So I'm not saying my decision is better than everyone else's. All I'm saying is this is my reason why I chose to still stay at a PG. Now obviously staying at PG comes with its own cons. You can't bring anyone here. No one can stay at your place. Your parents can't come and visit. I mean they can, but your father again cannot come and visit you because this is a girls PG. Taken into consideration all the pros and cons, and shifting into PG sounded like a best decision for me considering my current scenario. Hope that makes all the sense, and let me just devour the noodles. Thank you. Now I'm gonna log in and start working. And बीच में I guess 2-3 घंटे बाद जब I am also well rested, तब मैं जाके अपना सारा कबर्ड वगैरह सेट करना चालू करूँगी, क्योंकि मैंने सामान अभी सिर्फ रख दिया है. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कुछ नहीं है. जब तक ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं होगा तब तक मेरा सर भारी लगता रहेगा मुझे. इसीलिए तब सबसे पहले लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्किंग एंड देन विल टेक केयर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So this is how the room is looking right now. बिस्तर वगैरह थोड़ा सा समेट लिया है मैंने. वहाँ भी थोड़ा कुछ समेट लिया है. ये दोनों अभी मेरे को जचाना बाकी है. And if you look in the cupboards, which is a very bad situation, सब चीज़ बस मैंने ऐसे ही रख दिया है. अरेंज तो कुछ भी नहीं किया हुआ है. Oh my God, मेरे को अभी देख के ऐसा लग रहा है. So yeah, this is the current situation. Hello, it is quite some time later. It is around 5:30 right now and I just got done with my work, and now I'm gonna go ahead and organize my cupboards. But I wanted to say one thing. You guys know how much I preach about staying positive mindset. If you have subscribed to my channel, you know that already. And one of the easiest way to practice positivity is through practicing gratitude. And I think I'm gonna make this a point where I will say few things I'm grateful for at the end of each vlog video, especially because vlogs I feel are more personal, because I want you guys to get inspired and practice gratitude. You have no idea how gratitude will change your life. So let's do that. First of all, I'm really proud of myself for waking up early, packing everything, shifting everything in 3 hours. I did not show you around my PG a lot because of privacy reasons obviously, but doing all of that on my own in such short amount of time is crazy. So I'm really proud of that. Something that I'm grateful for is that, where do I start? I get to experience this. I get to have my own place. I get to afford this place. Get to shift to a place and spend a lot of money just because I want to shoot YouTube videos in this place. So I feel extremely privileged right now, and I'm extremely grateful that things worked out for me. And that brings me to the end of this video. जितना भी organization वाला part है ना, उसका मैं अलग से shorts डालती रहूँगी. So make sure you subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already, and I'm gonna see you guys soon. Bye.